Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everybody to our online education program. I am Sir Enamul Kabir, guest English teacher for Madhupur Shri Higher Secondary School. I hope all my dear students are well by the grace of Allah. Today I am going to deliver my class on a very simple English grammatical point, that is article. Article is necessary for all the classes from class 6 to 10. So I am going to deliver my lecture on article. You know, A, N, A and D. These two important words are article. N, A and D. These two important words are article. Actually, article is very important for meaningful sentences. Now, I show you some uses of article where we can use N. You know, among the 26 letters, we have 5 vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. You everybody know these are vowels, and the words which are began with vowel takes N. Suppose apple. This word begins with vowel, so it takes article N. Then elephant. Elephant. This word also takes vowel at the beginning, so it also takes N. Suppose ice cream. Ice cream. This also begins with vowel I, so it takes N. Then orange. Orange begins with O, it also takes N. Then U, umbrella. Umbrella, it also takes N. There are some other things. Suppose honest begins with a consonant, but here S is silent, so we pronounce the word from the vowel sound, honest, so it also takes N. Similar word hour, here A is also silent and begins with O, so it takes N. We use some abbreviation such as MA. MA begins with consonant, but it sounds like vowel, MA, so it also takes N. So we see the use of N. Now, where we can use A. General. At first I write down some point. General. That means when we say something in general. Suppose a sheep, a bird. I saw a sheep. Here, this sheep is in general, not a specific sheep. So, general. Then, consonant. The word begins with a consonant takes the article A. Suppose I saw a bird. These word begins with a consonant. You know, among the 26 letters, we have 5 vowels and 21 consonant. So, B is a consonant and the word begins with consonant takes the article A. Then, for the first time, that means first time, when we mention something for the first time, it takes article A. Suppose I ate a mango and the mango was sweet. Here, mango is mentioned for the first time. I ate a mango and the mango was sweet. Here the mango is mentioned for the second time, but here the mango is mentioned for the first time. When a word is used for the first time, then we take article A. Then come to the use of the. Specific. I write down the point first. Specific. When we mention something in specific, then it takes the article the. Suppose I saw the girl yesterday. I saw the girl yesterday. Here the girl is specific. That means a definite girl I saw yesterday. Then second time. This is very important. When we use something for the first time, it takes the article A, but when we use something, mention something for the second time, it takes the article the. Suppose I saw a bird and the bird was black. Here, a bird, this is for the first time I mentioned the bird, so it takes the article A, and here the bird is, the same bird is mentioned for the second time. This is the same bird, what I saw, I saw a bird. Here I mentioned the bird for the first time, so it takes the article A, and here I mentioned the bird for the second time, so it takes the article the. So when we use for the second time, use something, mention something for the second time, that takes the article the. There are many other things that takes the article the. Suppose the name of the newspaper. Name of the newspaper. When we say or mention the name of some newspaper, such as the Bangladesh Observer, Bangladesh Observer. This is the name of a newspaper, so it takes the article the. Then one specific thing which is only one in the world, such as the sun. The sun, that means we have only one sun. The moon, it takes the article the. So what we learn in today's class, we learn the use of some articles. We learn where we can use n. When any word begins with a vowel, we can use n. Then when a word begins with a consonant but the consonant is not pronounced, that means the consonant remains silent, it takes n. Then abbreviation, when the abbreviation begins with consonant but does not pronounce, then or pronounced like a vowel, then it takes n. Suppose an m. Then we learn the use of a. A is used when we mention something in general, then it takes a. And very important thing, consonant, when a word begins with a consonant, it takes a. And first time, when we mention something for the first time, it takes a. Then where we use the for specifying something, or when we mention something in specific, it takes the article the. Then second time, when we mention something for the second time, it takes the. So there are many more uses of articles, and articles are very important for making meaningful sentences in our daily conversations or in our writing. This is very easy and very important. So you learn some other uses of articles, and remember this. Today I do not want to proceed. I want to end here. So in this situation of the country, I request all my students to stay home and stay safe. Thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum.